Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to hide a group chat on the WhatsApp app using your PC. With the latest update, this feature has become even easier to use, allowing you to keep your chat list neat and organized. If you have groups that clutter your main chat view or ones you don't frequently check, hiding them can be a great solution. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to scan the QR code with your mobile device to access your chats. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your recent chats on the left side of your screen. Next, scroll through your chat list to find the group you want to hide. It could be a busy group that's hard to keep up with or just one that you prefer not to see all the time. Once you've located the group chat, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. Now, click on Archive. This option allows you to hide the group chat from your main chat list. When you archive a chat, it won't be deleted. Instead, it simply moves to the archived chat section, keeping your main view clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the group chat. If you ever want to access it again, simply scroll down to your archived chats, and you'll find it there, ready to be opened whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keeping your chat list organized can help you focus on the conversations that matter most.